Welcome to Starway Hotel Xi'an Bell Tower, Huimin Street. Experience the charm and convenience of this delightful 3-star hotel located in the vibrant heart of Xi'an, China. If you're interested in booking now, scan the QR code displayed on screen or check the description below for direct booking links and special offers. Starway Hotel Xi'an Bell Tower, Huimin Street welcomes guests to check in from 10 a.m., allowing for an early start to your Xi'an adventure. The dedicated staff ensures a smooth and welcoming experience from the moment you arrive. When it's time to depart, you can enjoy a relaxed checkout until 2 p.m., giving you ample time to savor your final moments in the hotel's comfortable atmosphere. While the hotel welcomes children, please be aware that extra charges may apply. It's always best to check directly with the hotel for specific details regarding their child policy and any associated fees. The hotel's location is a significant highlight, situated near the iconic bell tower and within easy walking distance to a host of popular attractions.